Hello guys, today I'll be showing you an unboxing of the i7 4770K. 4770K is the fourth generation of i7. I think if you're watching this you might know. It's the LGA 1155, so don't get them confused with LGA 1155 or 1156. And I don't remember if I said 55 at the start, but it's 1150. I'm sorry, I said the wrong thing. But yeah, so this should basically have a better performance than the old 3770K Ivy Bridge, and at the same time a bit more TDP, so that it gets a bit more heat out, but it should also have integrated graphics this time, so better integrated graphics, let's say it like that. Yeah, this box is pretty straightforward. There's just this little tiny seal here. My knives can cut through it. Yeah, good. So, first off here, you get an attention. So this is just like a basic installation guide. And at the same time you get a neat little i7 sticker you can post anywhere. What else you get? You get the cooler part. See, the cooler here is very thin. It's actually, to be honest, it's a piece of crap. This size should not be able to cool down anything at all. I've heard of people reaching about 100 degrees when trying to benchmark the CPU on stock cooler. So the first thing I would recommend is to get an aftermarket cooler. And it could be cheap, just like this one. This is about $20 and it's freaking awesome. You can even overclock on that one, so you don't need to spend loads of money on other hardware. I'm sorry, water cooling. Oops. So don't throw this away because there's no CPU out yet. So we have the CPU just here as a little humble piece. As you can see, oh, I'm sorry, I'm just gonna show this to the camera as well. This is the CPU. So down here, all these dots, they are refined to the LGA 1150. So that means it has 1150 dots here. Or if it was AMD, it would be pins. Anyway, yeah. The 4770K is a quad core, 8 threads. I'm sorry, 4 thread. So no, I think it's 8 thread. Yeah. Anyway, 8 megs of cache, 3.5 normal clock speed, 3.9 in turbo, and yeah, it has, I believe it has one of the biggest IPCs, so that's pretty great. If you consider gaming and you're thinking about this one, or whether you should get a 6-core 4930K, this one will actually perform better, even though it has less cores and less threads, just because it has a better IPC. So yeah, gaming, even rendering. I'm gonna use this for rendering. Haswell has changed some factors as well. You can actually delete these CPUs quite easy. So by just tweaking the twisting the head off, or putting it in a cramp and just beating down on the side. There's a lot of videos on how to deal it, but it's actually quite easy due to they do not solder the heat spreader to the die chip inside. So actually what they've done is just a little thermal paste and some glue around the corner. If you go to the first generation, like I have the i7 920, if you try to delete that, you'll break the chip because it was soldered to this metal piece. So bear in mind, it's actually quite easy now, and there's a huge temper in difference. It's like 6 or 7 degrees Celsius just changing the thermopaste. So bear that in mind. Else, this was it. There's not much left in the box, and yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.